In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and get voice chat, the first thing you're going to want to do is log into the Roblox account that you want to get voice chat for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu. And then what you want to do is come and click onto settings. And once you've done that, it's going to take you across to your settings. At this point, if you've not already done so, the first thing you're going to want to do is add and verify a phone number, which I've already done. Once you've done that, come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and content restrictions. Then what you want to do is find the option for communication. Go ahead, give that a click, and on the next screen you're going to see an option for voice chat. So what you want to do is give that a click, and then all you need to do is simply go ahead and switch the voice chat on, just like so. Turning this on, you're going to get a pop-up window. As you can see, this setting allows you to chat with your voice. Make sure you do follow the community standards for Roblox when talking and report abuse if you hear it. So just make sure you do stick to the community standards so you don't get banned or anything like that. But if you're happy to go ahead and take the box here, and then go ahead and click enable, and that's going to go ahead and turn on voice chat. So that is how to get voice chat in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.